Have you ever raised a purchase request and then had to follow up 5 times just to get an approval? At that point, the purchase request takes longer than the purchase itself. And today, we're fixing that. In the 5th episode of Prompt to App, we're building a purchase requisition application. One that helps you manage everything from request initiation and approval cycles to status tracking across your procurement process. Once you have your prompt ready with your app requirements, all you have to do is paste it into Zoho Creator and let Zia build the app prototype for you. The moment you give the prompt to Zia, the system starts generating use cases like facilitating the submission of purchase requisitions by employees, displaying key performance indicators related to procurement activities, managing the workflow for approvals, maintaining a database of suppliers, and tracking budget allocations for various procurement categories. And on the right, you can see that a data model is being generated with all the relevant forms that will be in your app. Each table represents a form, and the faint lines show how they are connected to each other. From there, the system goes on to build out all the components of applications automatically on the backend. And now, we have our purchase requisition app ready. The app has different modules, starting with a purchase request form that employees can use to submit requests, ensuring all the necessary information is captured. It also includes multi-step approval workflows based on configurable rules and predefined criteria, such as the purchase request cost or the requester's department. You can track the status of every purchase request and set controls for both requesters and approvers to view the available budget for a department before a request is submitted or approved. You will find the prompt in the description below. Paste it into Zoho Creator, generate your prototype, and customize it to match your procurement process. Try Zoho Creator for yourself and let us know what app you want to build next using AI in the comments below.